All right, we got this OVENTE electric tea kettle. This is at the Airbnb me and my brother are staying at. And this thing is just really nice. It gets the job done. Let me just lift it up really quick to show you. There's the base right there. That's what it hooks into right there. And I'll get that as well. Hooks right in like so. And as you can see, it says OVENTE right there. And let me just go ahead and turn it on right now. So you turn it on. You turn it on with this button. So I press that. That lights up, and there is water. You can see there's water right there. So the water's heating up, and in order to put water in, you just open the lid like that, close it down. This thing heats up really quick. As you see, there's where the water comes out right there. This thing is amazing, and I highly recommend it to you.